welcome back to the legal video series presented by the Law Office of Joseph Abrams. I'm criminal defense attorney Joseph Abrams, and I answer your most common questions about federal criminal law in easy to understand terms. So let's take a look at today's question. The answer is yes. If you are charged in federal court, it's critical that you speak with a criminal defense attorney who has experience practicing in federal court. In fact, it can be the difference between a successful outcome and a truly bad one. To begin with, criminal process in federal court is more complex and formal. Deadlines are strictly adhered to, there are more written pleadings, and there are specific procedures for discovery and motion practice. Another important difference is that federal prosecutors play a larger and more active role in the cases they prosecute. Because they spend more time screening and investigating potential cases, it's a safe bet that the government has a strong case against you if you have been charged in federal court. By comparison, state prosecutors often do not begin investigating a case until after the defendant has already been arrested and charged by local law enforcement. Finally, and this is probably the single most significant difference between federal and state court, is how punishment is imposed. In state court, convicted defendants face a range of penalties that can include probation, diversion, county jail, and in some cases, state prison. By contrast, in federal court, defendants are subject to the federal sentencing guidelines, which can be quite harsh. This is particularly true when you consider that some cases carry mandatory minimum sentences and/or sentencing enhancements that can result in lengthy federal prison sentences, even for first-time, nonviolent offenders. I hope you can see the importance of having an experienced federal criminal defense attorney represent you in federal court. The attorney should also have expertise knowledge of the federal sentencing guidelines, as they play a crucial and outsized role in the outcome of federal cases. And lastly, keep in mind that only attorneys who are specifically admitted to practice before a federal court can represent defendants charged with federal crimes. This has been criminal defense attorney Joseph Abrams. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time when I answer another of your questions about federal criminal law.